Hi everyone, it's Caitlin here from Crystal Cove Conservancy. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how we can use Google Sheets to analyze our data to look for trends. So if you've never used Google Sheets before, it's also similar to Excel, which you may have used before, but it is a great way for us to analyze, visualize our data, and look for trends. So let's first think about our research questions and also what data we have available to answer those questions. So first of all is our question about mulch decomposition rate. Which type of mulch will decompose the quickest and which will decompose the slowest? Woody mulch or straw-like mulch? So what we have here is the data from all of those mulch bags that were placed out at the plot. We had bags filled with straw-like mulch and bags filled with woody mulch. The numbers are just the number 1 through 40 of each of those bags. As you may remember, they were also placed in straw-like mulch plots or woody mulch plots, so that tab here under plot type is there. And we know what they initially weighed. We have the mass that you measured and the percent mass loss that you calculated. So that is the percentage of mass that the bags have lost since we first made them, which can tell us the decomposition rate. So then thinking about mulch's effect on decomposition, this is actually the same data as the previous tab, but it's arranged a little differently because our question is, where will mulch decompose the quickest and where will it decompose the slowest? Areas with woody mulch or straw-like mulch. So like I said, it's the same data, but right now we have it organized by plot type. Where was the mulch bag placed? We have all of the straw-like mulch plots up here, and then all of the woody mulch plots down here. And still the same percent mass loss, or how much mass those bags lost over time. It's a mouthful. So, and then last is our soil moisture data. So these are the soil moisture measurements that you helped record from the microbit. And we want to know where will soil moisture be the highest and where will it be the lowest? Areas with woody mulch, straw-like mulch, or no mulch. So we have a couple of readings in each of our 10 plots. We list which mulch plot type they were taken, no mulch, straw-like mulch, or woody mulch, and the percentage of water in the soil, the percentage soil moisture. So let's first start thinking together about how we can make a graph or come up with a way to visualize our mulch bag decomposition rate. So comparing straw-like mulch bags and woody mulch bags, how can we tell which one of these had a higher mass loss or a lower mass loss? So you can see there's a lot of numbers and it's really hard to tell just by looking at it. Like there's some higher numbers and some lower numbers in both of the treatments, 2s, 0.4. So it's really hard to tell overall which one is higher or lower. But what we can do is come up with one number to represent the overall percent mass loss for straw-like mulch bags, and one number to come up with the overall percent mass loss for the woody mulch bags. So take a moment to brainstorm ideas. How could you come up with one number to represent a group of numbers so we can tell in general which one is higher or lower?